If your eyeshadows don't stay long enough and they fade off, here's one fabulous trick that'll change the eyeshadow game for you. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a simple trick that'll make your eyeshadow long lasting. So if you're ready, let's begin. I believe your brows play a huge part in your eye makeup, so try using a waterproof, long-lasting brow pencil to keep it in shape throughout the day. I'm using one of the best brow pencils out there. This is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm using the shade 4.5. This pencil is waterproof, smudge-proof, and they claim it lasts up to 12 hours, so it's a very long-lasting brow pencil. The oils and sweat on your lid can move the eyeshadow and fade it faster. So it's always a good idea to clean up your lid space with a mild cleanser before you start your eye makeup. And the one that I use is the Micellar Cleansing Water. I just take a little bit with a Q-tip and I quickly clean my lid and let it dry before I start my eye makeup. Now I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. A primer will form a sticky base, so when you apply an eyeshadow over this, it clings onto it and lasts longer. The next tip that I'm going to give you is the simplest, easiest, and the best way to keep your eyeshadows long lasting. This is one tip that everybody needs to know, and that is to use a cream eyeshadow before you layer it with a powder eyeshadow. Here I'm using the Laura Mercier Caviar eyeshadow stick in the shade Rose Gold. I'm going to apply it all over my lid, so that's going to be the base, and I'm going to soften up the edges. Over this, I'm going to be using a powder eyeshadow. Now, layering of two different textures, first a cream, then a powder, helps prevent either from coming off. So it'll cling on together or stick together, and it also makes the eyeshadows pop because you're layering it. From the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, I'm going to dip into this beautiful lilac shade and use it as a transition at the crease. The tips that I'm giving you today is especially helpful when you have to attend an event where you have to keep your eyeshadows throughout the night or throughout the day, and it has to be long lasting, especially for brides. Also, you don't need to buy or own too many cream eyeshadows that you can use as a base. Try to buy one or two that's a close match to your skin tone. That way you can use it as a base for any eyeshadows. Next, I'm going to be using this deep purple shade in the outer corner to deepen it. Another efficient way to make the eyeshadows long lasting is to pick the eyeshadow up first with your brush, spritz it with either some water or a setting spray before you apply it. I'm going to do the same with the Stunning Shimmer. I'm going to pick it up with a brush, spritz some setting spray before I apply it to the center of my lid. While that'll make the makeup long lasting, it'll also make those eyeshadows pop so much more. Next, I'm going to smoke out this lilac shade in my lower lash line. And then I'm going to pick up this deeper shade with a definer brush and stamp it closer to my lashes. I'm going to finish up by curling my lashes. And for mascara, if you want your makeup to last longer, try using a waterproof mascara. Today I'm going to be using the Eyeshadow Beach Waterproof Mascara. Again, you don't have to use the same products that I'm using, you just have to follow the technique. Now I'm going to stop at mascara, but if you prefer, you can use false lashes. Most of the glue that you get for false lashes are waterproof, and my personal favorite is the Star Glue. It's so easy to apply and take off. It's usually the lower lash mascara that smudges, so if you're not good at maintaining it, I would say avoid applying mascara to your lower lashes. And here's the finished look, and I have swam in pools by doing this technique and my eyeshadows haven't come off. However, I've applied it in the beginning is how it stays throughout the day and night. It looks fresh even without touch-ups. Let's finish this look. I'm going to be using a Mauve Moment. This is by Juvia's Place, one of my favorite lipsticks. And I really love the way this look turned out. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in comments. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you plan to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box. And I will see you again with a brand new one. I love you guys so much. Please come back for more. Bye, guys.